So tell me about how your body's changed during and after treatment.
So before treatment, I was very, very fit. I was running, I did martial arts. So for me, it was the loss of weight, which was a big factor for me. You know, I dropped 2 stone because I used to bodybuild as well. So, you know, seeing those effects on my body was probably the hardest thing, losing the hair. And you don't just use the hair on your head, you use the hair everywhere. And for a hairy man, that's, you know, it's a lot of hair. The very first doctor that I met, he said to me, if you act like a patient, dress like a patient, you'll be a patient. So I made the effort to always wear my own clothes, not wear anything like the hospital give you. So you felt like your own person, and you felt like you were owning the situation yourself.
I think one of the first things that can go when you're diagnosed and having treatment is your interest in what you're wearing. Rightly so, let's face it.
Yeah.
And so what you're telling me is such a breath of fresh air, because you've essentially adopted your own treatment uniform.
Yeah.
You've adjusted what you're wearing. You know, you were in suits, you were in skinny jeans. You adjusted it to have a certain style that was all about your own identity and feeling good whilst being comfortable and practical. A great way of counteracting that weight loss and adding the impression of some bulk in your upper body is by layering.
Yeah.
So, for example, teaming a shirt, t-shirt, and a colourful t-shirt. Let's, you know, it's nice to wear colour.
Exactly.
With a shirt.
Yeah.
And potentially a lightweight jacket. They're all really comfortable fabrics and comfortable fit.
Yeah, so chemo day units, they're notoriously very cold, so you're sitting there chilly, and you know the fact that you're suggesting layering is a good call, because you don't want to be sitting there just a t-shirt, you want something else, but you also need to have access to your arms, to the cannulas and stuff like that. So you know, it's definitely a good call to have multiple layers.
Another great trick to add a bit of breadth to your upper body is a horizontal stripe. It's just it's a good way of giving the illusion of that extra bit of bulk.
Okay.
If you're conscious of the weight that's been lost. A nice trick is to add accessories like hats, sunnies, watches. It's just having some nice accessories to kind of upstyle what essentially is a comfortable outfit, and just making it that little bit different, which I know you've always been really good at doing. Joggers, rather than going for just your knackered pair from the back of the wardrobe, going for something maybe a bit tapered. Often you like wearing the kind of harem style.
Yeah, exactly.
Something, just a very subtle way of kind of upstyling.
Yeah.
So should we try them on?
Yeah, let's go.
You look fantastic.
I feel fantastic, yeah. This was the kind of vibe I went for, but you kind of taken it to the next level, especially with the layering as well. It's definitely feel good.